Alright, so today ang i-vlog natin, this Lenovo IdeaPad 3 15IA U7. So, bakit itong laptop na ito? Normally, ang mga Lenovo is mas mahal sila compared sa mga ibang brands. It's because Lenovo stated na mas maganda ang quality nila and mas maganda ang mga warranty ng Lenovo. To be exact nga if you have a defective Lenovo, you don't need to go to the store. You just need to contact them. Ang tawag nila doon, Lenovo Premium Care Support. Ngayon, I have a product here na mas mura pa compared sa mga ibang brands. This laptop is actually the cheapest i3 na meron tayo ngayon and hindi nagsuffer yung kanyang quality. So let's proceed and unbox this laptop. But before that, after this video, mamimigay tayo ng Herschel jacket. Ngayon, ito mga Herschel jacket na to, it is cost 11,000. So please stay tuned after the video kasi meron tayong mga questions na ibibigay sa inyo. Kung sino man ang tamang may sagot, siyang may chance na manalo ng Herschel jacket. Proceeding on unboxing. Okay, the laptop. And it comes with a manual. So it comes with a charger. It is 65 watts. And then, it also comes with an HDD kit or a 2.5 SATA kit. Ayan, so may ribbon and then dito mo ikakabit yung 2.5 SATA. It can be an HDD or SSD. So this is promising na talagang upgradable ready siya. And then, may kasama rin siyang bag as you can see in the video. Now, let's talk about the appearance of this laptop. Okay, so the color of this Lenovo is Arctic Gray. And you can see here, yung talagang pagiging niya, yung metallic brush strokes niya dito sa cover. Even sa body, sa kanyang keyboard, kahit sa ilalim, everything is gray. Ngayon, this is a 15-inch laptop. It comes with an alphanumeric keyboard. And may kita nyo yung sticker ng i3 dito and some stickers. There's the Lenovo logo and then ang kanyang camera. Camera dito, there's a switch to turn it on and to turn it off. Ensure that if you're gonna use the camera, you need to switch it on. Now, about the ports. Ports na tayo. Saksakan ng charger and then a USB Type-A, an HDMI, and the Type-C, and an audio combo jack. And on the other side, may kita natin dito another USB Type-A and an SD card and a light indicator. And then we also have here the factory reset button or ano bang tawag nila dito? Yeah, Novo button. Ching! May kita sa ilalim yung mga speakers niya and definitely there's an exhaust, nakikita ko na. But babaklasin pa rin natin to. Titignan natin kung ano pang pwedeng i-upgrade dito. And the dimension, the width is 14 inch, the height is 9.3 inch, and the depth is less than an inch. And the weight of the unit, the viewing angle is, paisip ako. Nasanay ako sa 130, nasanay ako sa 180. This is somewhat of 170 degrees. Now, huwag mo pipilitin na i-flat to. Baka masira. Ngayon, isa sa nagpabenta nitong laptop na to is because of its specifications. And it's because of the price. Now, let's proceed and let's talk about kung ano bang meron dito sa Lenovo IdeaPad 3. Now, this laptop is an i3 12th Gen. And to be exact, that is 1215U. It comes with 2 P cores and 4 E cores with a total of 6 cores and 8 threads. The base is 1.2 while the turbo is 4.4 GHz. Nasabi ko na to before, but I really want to express this. An i3 12th Gen is actually better than an i5 11th Gen. As you can see there on the graphs, by means of single core, multi-core, performance efficiency, integrated graphics, mga nano review, lamang na lamang si i3 12th Gen compared to an i5 11th Gen. Now, since i3 is faster than an i5 11th Gen, that is why yung mga ibang i3 natin sa price range na mga nasa 30,000. But this laptop is not actually more than 30,000. Sobrang baba pa or sobrang layo nito sa 30,000. And do you even know that this i3 12th Gen is actually mas faster pa sa Ryzen 5 5000 series? Now, based on the research dyan, nakikita nyo sa single core, power efficiency, and integrated graphics, even sa nano review, lamang na lamang ang i3 12th Gen. Now, about naman sa pricing, if i3 12th Gen is higher than i5 11 and Ryzen 5 5000 series, does that mean mas mataas ang presyo niya? Technically, yes. Kasi dito sa Laptop Factory, yung mga Ryzen 5 namin, mga binibenta na lang namin ng mga price point at 30,000, while the i3 12th Gen, binibenta namin ng mga more than 30,000. But this Lenovo IdeaPad i3 12th Gen is way more cheaper. Ang layo ng agwat nito sa mga 30,000 price range. Sobrang baba ng price nito, and we'll tell it later. Okay naman yung explanation. Actually, pwede nga yun na yung hook no? The memory is 8GB while the storage is 512 SSD. Now, this is a 15.6 Full HD. Hindi siya IPS. Alright, so sama natin sa cons yun. This is a Windows 11 Home, pero wala siyang kasamang Microsoft Office. Ang Office niya is only a trial version. Sama sa cons. Camera test. So this is camera quality of Lenovo IdeaPad 3, and what you're hearing is also the audio quality coming from this laptop. Mawabol yung screen pag nahahanginan. We've done a camera test and I just noticed na medyo nagwawabble yung screen niya. Probably is medyo mahangin. Diba? Dapat ang mga hinges medyo talagang hindi talagang gumagalaw-galaw yung screen. Let's remove the chassis and then tingnan natin kung ano pa pwedeng i-upgrade dito sa Lenovo IdeaPad 3. Underneath the chassis, so we got here, laki ng space ng fan. Okay, that's good. Na merong fan for the processor, and we got a Wi-Fi card and the CMOS battery. So kanina, diba, meron tayong HDD kit. So dito, pwede ka pa maglagay ng 2.5 SATA. It's either an SSD or an HDD. Ngayon, this laptop has already an 8 gig. So probably that's already on board kasi there's a vacant memory slot here. Ang pinaka-ideal would be an 8 gig with the same speed kasi pag mas mababa ang speed ng memory mo, yun ang kokopyahin ng computer. Now, we have here a 512 SSD. It's not a full SSD, it's just half. Let's not bother it kasi nandyan yung operating system. If you want to expand your storage, pwede naman HDD or SSD ang ilalagay. And we also have here the battery, so it's not that big. So just to sum it up, ang pwede nang i-upgrade dito is additional 2.5 SATA and additional memory. The laptop comes with a 1-week replacement and a 2 years premium care Lenovo warranty. Let's start. Okay, calm, Dustin. We don't need to rush. Inner peace comes with hype. Alright, game. Go. Let's start with the cons. Number 1, wala siyang kasamang Microsoft Office na lifetime. It comes with a trial version, but of course, this laptop, for its price point, napaka-ideal sa estudyante. Pero isipin mo, ideal sa estudyante, pero walang Microsoft Office. Pero kasi, kahit wala siyang Microsoft Office, guys, ang sobrang mura ng laptop na ito, na kahit hindi kasama yung Microsoft Office, still price pa rin. And the other cons on this laptop, yung screen wobbling niya. Okay, I'm not sure if there's a problem with the hinge, pero kanina kasi we've done a camera test and then nakatutok yung aircon, so talagang galaw ng galaw yung screen. So what more if nakatutok sa iyo yung electric fan and then you're reading something in your laptop. But don't worry about the hinge kasi this comes with a premium care. Katulad na sinabi ko, mga ibang brands, pag nasira yung laptop mo, ikaw pupunta sa service center. Now, si Lenovo, pag nasira ang laptop mo, si Lenovo ang pupunta sa inyo. Diba ang social? Pinupuntahan ka ng technician para ayusin ang laptop mo. Well, it's actually good kasi hindi lang tayo bumibili kung ano yung product. We should also be mindful about the after-sale service of the laptop. Isa sa mga minor cons, hindi siya IPS display. Pag inanon mo ng ibang angle, umiba na yung colors. So, you need to angle it right para makuha mo yung tamang color. So, well, hindi siya backlit. Hindi ko siya masabing cons kasi it's just an i3. Yung price point kasi niya, parang tama lang na pwedeng hindi backlit keyboard. Now, let's talk about the pros of this laptop. Number 1, it is an upgradable friendly. There's another memory slot that you can upgrade it up to 16, ang pinaka-ideal. And then, there's also this additional 2.5 SATA slot. Kanina, nung binuksan natin yung box, meron siya yung tray na talagang upgradable friendly siya, na pwede talagang i-upgrade. So kung nakukulangan ka sa 512, pwede ka magdagdag ng 2.5 SATA. Pag nakukulangan ka ng memory na 8 gig, pwede ka magdagdag ng additional memory. Lastly, ang isa sa mga pinaka-pros nitong unit na to is its price and versus its specification. This i3 12 Gen is actually higher pa sa i5 11 Gen as you can see there on the graphs. And then this i3 is also better than an Ryzen 5 5000 series. And as I mentioned, dito sa Laptop Factory, medyo pricey mga i3 12 Gen natin. And to be honest, mga nasa 30,000 and above siya. Which is a little bit reasonable kasi mas mataas pa nga siya dito sa mga i5 na to and Ryzen 5. Pero this Lenovo IdeaPad 3 na ito is sobrang mura. Ang price point lang nito is mga nasa 26,000 pesos dito sa Laptop Factory. Ang SRP nito is mga nasa around mga 28 to 29. So dito pa lang sa Laptop Factory nakasave na kayo ng 3,000. Ang mga i3 11 Gen nga natin nasa price range na mga nasa 28 to 30 while the i3 12 Gen is 30,000 and above. But this one is actually sobrang mura. Nasa 26,000 lang. And actually, baka we're also thinking na ibenta namin ito ng 25,000. So, check nyo rin time to time, baka mag-sale kami. Pero most likely, sa 26,000, hindi ka natalo dito. Bihira to kay Lenovo. Normally, si Lenovo, pag sinabi mong Lenovo, mahal ang price point niyan. From their consumer, from their gaming to their premium. But now, they've come up on this unit. And to be honest, no, nung nirequest namin to kina Lenovo, pinag-aagawan din to ng mga ibang stores. Not Laptop Factory, I mean, yung mga talagang ibang stores na sa mga malls. Kasi gustong-gusto din nila itong product na ito. In case you're interested on buying this would be available across our stores nationwide. And then pwede rin ang installment sa amin. Kanina na-mention namin that we'll be giving away 2 pieces Herschel jacket. Now, this Herschel jacket is around mga nasa 11,000. The question for today is, ano ang ranking ni Lenovo nung year 2022? It's just simple. Is it from 1st to the 20th? If you know the answer, comment down below. We're gonna give you within 30 minutes to answer the question. And guys, sayang if you have the right answer and then if you're not subscribed to the page, sorry ma-avoid. So that is why please do like and subscribe to our page. And by the way, we're really thankful sa mga subscribers, sa mga viewers natin na continuing supporting Laptop Factory. We love you all. So I think nasabi ko na lahat ang tungkol dito sa Lenovo IdeaPad. So I hope this video helped you. In case that you want to watch other videos, just click on the link. Then again, this is Tito Dustin. See you in the next video. Have a good day. Bye-bye. Hindi ko na-mention na pagdating natin ng 200,000 subscribers, mamibigay tayo ng laptop. So, ibig sabihin, dalawa na yung magiging atraso natin. Isa doon sa 100,000, isa doon sa magiging 200,000.